everybody, this is Bonnie Barker with Bonnie Bay Crochet, and today I'm working on fringe. I am adding fringe to a beautiful texturized throw that will be coming to my Bonnie Bay Crochet YouTube channel and my watch channel in just a couple of weeks. And I have a problem. All of my fringe that I've cut is not straight. There's a lot of curliness and waviness, and I just want to make this quick video to show you how to cure it very easily. For this particular project, I'm going to make this knotted fringe, and you can just see how not so nice that looks. Well, let me just show you a tool that I have recently invested in. I actually have two now so that I can have one wherever I am. And this is just a handheld steamer. This is a larger one that I picked up from my local department store for just over $20. They do have them even less expensive on Amazon, and I will put some links in the video description should you be interested. But let me just show you how easily this works. I'm going to push the button and you can see the steam coming out. I just want you to see just how quickly and easily this turns it into straight. You do need to be careful because the steam can burn you, so you do want to be very careful about that. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's see. You can see, look at that. See how that's coming out very nicely? It's very straight. There's a little bit more that needs to be straightened down here. So I'm going to go ahead and continue doing that until it is straight. And that is so much better than what it was over here. Do you see the difference? So now this is ready to be knotted and trimmed and finished and made to look amazing in just a few minutes. But I just wanted to show you guys, get a steamer. I have seen so many projects, even in publication, where you can tell the yarn was just not cared for the way it needs to be. And also this thing, as simple as it is, it can make your clothes look great if you don't want to set up an ironing board and get all that stuff out. I know many people don't even iron anymore. If you have a steamer, this can steam the wrinkles out of dresses, shirts, what have you, and it works very easily, very quickly. Plug it in, 30 seconds to heat up, and it's ready to go. Well, there you go. This is how you can make your fringe look amazing. God bless. Bye-bye.